Back in Medford at Medford Walk, beautiful townhome community right here in Medford. Nice thing about these townhomes, only 2 stories, great layouts, 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, 2 car garages. So great homes here, great layouts here at Medford Walk. I'm going to take you for a tour of the Crofton model. I'm also going to have a link in the video description with details on this and the other model that's available here, the Sandra model here at Medford Walk. Alright, going through the townhome community here, Medford Walk. Brand new construction by DR Horton. Beautiful 2-story townhomes. Very nice setting here. The Medford Walk community. Coming in the Crofton model here, front entryway. It's right in through here to the great room. Got dining area, living room, kitchen. Pan around here and show you around, and then take a look at this kitchen here. A lot of counter space, a lot of cabinet space. Beautiful backsplash on here. Got your gas stove, stainless steel appliances, large center island, dishwasher right here in the center island. Have your sink in here in the center island. This looks like a granite or Corian countertops. Stainless steel refrigerator. And more cabinet space over here too. So, wow, nice spacious kitchen. And I'm assuming this is the walk-in pantry, so let's take a look at that too. Yeah, very nice. Walk-in pantry. Outside, a very nice patio area right out of the kitchen area. We'll take a better look at that in a moment. And here's a look at the great room. Living area, leading right into the dining area. All here on the first floor. Also a half bathroom right here off of the front entryway. Underneath the steps you also have some nice storage right here, a coat closet. We're using this for storage here in the model home. Let's go check out upstairs. So as you come up the steps, you have this long hallway here, 4 bedrooms. Up on the second floor. I'll show you the owner suite first. Owner suite right here. Now this is an end unit, so you do have windows on both sides. Leading in here to the owner's bath. Very nice. Dual vanity here. Large step-in shower. Glass doors. Walk-in closet connects right here from the bathroom. You also have a separate room for the toilet. At the back of the house, we have another bedroom here. This one they have set up as a office area, but this could be another nice size bedroom here at the back of the house. And right off the hallway, as you come up the steps here, we do have second floor laundry, so really convenient. Nice space there for some shelving. And there's 2 more bedrooms here at the front of the house, so we'll go check that out next. This is actually a very nice size bedroom here, front of the house. Good space. Another bedroom here at the front. So 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, very nice layout here. Upstairs hall bathroom here, very spacious. You have a vanity, dual vanity here, and a separate door going into the shower and toilet area. Nice tile work too, tile surrounding the tub area as well. Nice patio here, Medford Walk. Little divider here between the neighbors. So thanks for watching this video tour of the Crofton model here at Medford Walk in Medford, New Jersey. Beautiful townhomes, very spacious. There's 2 different layouts to choose from. There is another model that has the owner suite on the first floor. So I'll have the link to that in the video description if you'd like more information on that one. If you're looking for something bigger and you want a single family detached home, check out my other video tour of Hawthorne Estates. It's right across the street, beautiful community. and right here in Medford. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think about these townhomes. And please subscribe for more updates.